Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a steamer. And the cool thing about this steamer is the fact that not only does it work as a regular steamer, but also give you guys the option to use it in many different ways. So whether if you guys want to steam your clothes, if you guys want to use it as steam mop, or if you guys want to steam like your software anywhere to clean it up, you definitely have a lot of different options available. So I'm gonna see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and they call it Derma Pro 211. And right here is basically what the product looks like. If you guys turn inside right here, they do probably got some specs and features on the product. So they mentioned how it's easy to start, easy to use, it is lightweight. It had a transparent water tank so that you can see how much water is inside left. They mentioned how it has a high temperature steam when you guys do use it. So that way not only does it help you guys clean stuff, but also help you guys sterilize stuff as well. And like I mentioned, the product is multifunctional. So you use it for steaming clothes, carpet, tiles, vinyl, or hardwood floors. But right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So first the inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right underneath that you can see we do have some accessory and there's some other parts inside. So let's take all of it out. So right here we do have the first head or the first accessory. Next up right here we have the next one. They probably got some of these accessories right here. So I'm assuming these are for the steam mop option. And this is probably for one of the heads option. Next up right here is another accessory. And the inside right here, you can see they do probably got the back of a bunch of other accessories as well. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different accessories inside that you can use for steaming clothes or anything else. Next up right here, we do have the bottom part of the steam mop option. And for this part right here, you do have the option to rotate left and right, up and down. And if you guys push it all the way up, there is the option for it to stand up by itself, which is pretty cool. And right here, they mention how they do have the technology built in. And right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So the bottom part right here is basically where you can put it on the cloth or the fabric that I just showed you guys. And then for this part right here, you do have the option to take it out. And basically what this is for is that way you can use it on the carpet if you guys do want to. But if you guys are not using carpet and you guys are using hardwood floor, you guys can just stick the fabric on here and you guys are all set. So I'm going to put this on to show you guys what I mean. So just notice on the back of this cloth right here, they do have the Velcro. So if you just want to stick it onto the back part right here, so just like this. Once it does stick on, this is basically what the bottom part should look like. And at the very bottom, they do provide guys a measuring cup and some funnel if you guys want to use it to measure how much water to add inside. So really cool how they do provide guys this option. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product here. So let's do take off the wrapper. Here is basically what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, the way how to design the product, it allows you guys to use it as a steam mop, or you do have the option to take this part out and use it as a garment steamer or anything else if you guys want to steam whatever you guys want. So right here, they do mention how it's called the Derma Pro 211. Right here, we do have the switch for you to turn it off and turn it on. Right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. And right here, we do have the option for you to open it. And that basically allows you guys to add the water inside. Right here, we do have the button for you to push. So I'm assuming when you guys push on it, that basically allows you guys to take it out really easily. And once you guys want to put it back together, just go like this. And that is how you guys put it back together. But basically for the top right here, we do have the handle. So we guys do open it all the way. That is how you guys lock it in. And right here, we do have the button for you to release the handle if you guys do want to. So just like this. Very easy and very simple. Right here, we also have the brand logo. Top part right here, we do have a very nice handle. On the side of the part right here and right here, they do have the option for you guys to organize the cable right here or the cord. And the cord itself is pretty long. And right here is basically what the cord or plug looks like. And the bottom part right here is basically where you insert the head. So whether if you guys want to use a small head or if you guys want to use the other one, that is totally up to you guys. But basically want to slide it in and start using it. And they do have a little button for you guys to release it once you guys are done using it as well. But if you guys do want to put right here, that should work as well. But for this test, we'll use the steam mop option. So let's put on that head instead. So basically want to slide it in just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys hear that click, then it's all set. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Now let's put some water inside and we'll test it out to show you guys how well it works. So you can see when we do put it on the floor right here, it does stand up by itself, which is pretty nice. But let's add some water inside. So as I open the top part right here, you probably want to bend it a little bit so that way it's easier for it to add in. So just like this. Alright, so that should be good. Close it back up. Once you guys add the water in, now you can plug in the cable to start using it. So like I mentioned, the way how you guys turn it on, you basically want to turn the knob. You probably want to wait a few minutes for it to kind of start working by itself first. So I've been hearing some of the steam coming out already. So definitely when you guys do turn it on, if you guys can see the steam starts immediately. And the cool part about having the steam option is so that way if you guys do have like stain on the floor or something, it will help you guys clean off really easily. And that way you guys don't have to use any chemicals or formula to actually clean it, which is very nice. And the cool thing about the cloth or the fabric in the bottom is the fact that you do have option floor machine to wash it. So I noticed some of the stain marks on the floor, it actually came off really easily. I barely use any force to clean as well, which is pretty cool. And it's here for the product, it's pretty quiet when you guys do use it, but definitely produce a lot of steam when you guys do use it. So I bring it up close. That's basically what the pot looks like. So whether if you guys do use it for like cleaning the floor or if you guys want to steam your clothes, you definitely have different options available, which are pretty cool. So that way you don't have to buy like different devices, you can just use one of them. So obviously once you guys are done, you can turn it off. And you probably want to let it kind of cool down first before you guys do take out the pad and wash it. And obviously once you guys are done, you guys can bring it back up like this, so that we can stand up by itself. And what you're gonna do right now is tie back up the cord onto the side right here. So just like that. And even just by cleaning the floor just now, it actually dries up pretty fast. So if you guys are in a rush to clean your floor, maybe if you have a guest coming in, you probably want to use one of these to help you guys clean the floor really easily. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the product, it doesn't feel heavy at all. I think if there's anything that's heavy, it's probably just the water that you guys add inside. But the overall product should feel pretty lightweight. And if you guys are curious about what this accessory is for, this one basically allows you guys to clean the window. So just like this, just hook it in the bottom part first and then clip on the top part. So just like that. So that way you use the squeegee option on top to clean like the window really easily. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality steamer that allow you guys to steam like your clothes, maybe clean off like your sofa, maybe use a steam mop to wipe down the floor, and so many other options as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.